Imagine being able to blister someone's skin with just a touch. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Meet the blister beetle. This little guy secretes a powerful chemical called cantharidin. Just a tiny amount can cause severe skin irritation and painful blisters. Farmers even use it as a natural pest control, but beware. Contact with human skin can be nasty. So, next time you're out in nature, keep an eye out for these critters. They may look harmless, but their bite is anything but. Have you ever encountered a blister beetle? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fascinating facts about the natural world. Stay curious and stay safe.